Hey guys, my name is Jason Sago. I'm gonna show you guys how to do an inside leg trip. I successfully hit this in my UFC debut. I'm gonna give you guys a few key points for you to understand how to successfully complete the inside leg trip. Number one, make sure you're set up to do the inside leg trip. So we have an overhook and we have an underhook. We wanna make sure we're being heavy on that overhook side. Number two, make sure you're pulling with the underhook side. We're trying to square our opponent's stance up so they don't have good balance forward and backward. That way, when you enter, it's gonna be knocking them off balance. But if they had one foot behind them, they're gonna be able to lean into that foot. So with our grips, the setup, we wanna make sure we're using our underhook and squaring up their stance so that way you're ready to enter. So after you've set them up, you've pulled with your underhook, you've squared up their stance, you're ready to enter. Make sure when you're entering, you fully commit. You're gonna hook your leg, bring your heel to your butt. First point of contact should be your knee hitting the floor. I'm fully dropping all of my body weight, transferring it to make this leg as heavy as possible, and I'm gonna hook it. Once you guys have those three key points down, this is a great flow drill to get those reps in. So we're starting with our setup. We're going to pull. Once they're squared, you're gonna enter. Now watch this. As soon as we hit the ground, your partner, this is when you're drilling with your training partner, he's gonna post his hand after the takedown is complete, and we both get up together. Perfect. One thing that I'm doing, if you look at my head and my hand, I'm releasing this hand, I'm posting on the floor to help me do a kind of basically a half cartwheel over his body. So once you've squared them up, I'm entering and I'm posting to help us get back up. I want to give you guys a combination attack. So sometimes if we don't transfer the weight properly, they can lift their leg up and step over your hook leg. So when we're here, set it up, I go to enter, but as I'm entering, he moves it. Boom, I missed it. Immediately, we're gonna get our head to the inside, use your grips, and transfer to a single leg. Step, circle, enter. So I'm gonna do that again. We're starting with our grips over under, we square, we enter, oh, nothing there, we transfer, we take them down with a single leg. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to improve your takedown game, check out these next videos. Hey guys, my name is Jason Sago. I'm gonna show you today how to do a